Hi, hello everyone. Namaste. Today, with the blessings of my teacher, Dr. Ajay Singh and Dr. Subhash Mani, I am here to share with you the cause of disease. So, firstly, what is disease? Disease is simply when our body is not at ease. If you know the reasons, see, treatments are easier. In today's modern science, we are working on the symptoms, but not on the cause of the disease. This ignorance has led to a number of lifestyle diseases, or to say incurable diseases, as per modern science, where you have to take pills throughout your life. Medicines have its own side effects if taken for a longer time. So we should try to find out the root cause of disease and treat it naturally. So coming back to the causes, we can divide the diseases into two halves, cause of disease into two halves. That is external and internal. External causes are accidents and infections due to various pathogens like bacteria, virus, fungus, which are sometimes beyond our control. But if our internal condition of the body is strong, recovery will be faster. So mainly it's the condition of our internal body that is primary. So now let's see what are the main reasons which bring disease to our body. There are mainly four reasons. First, mind. Second, food. Third, posture and lifestyle. And lastly, the environment. So now let's see how emotions affect us. So mind controls our emotions such as sadness, fear, anxiety, stress, and so on. These emotions act very quickly on our body. Negative emotions and thoughts have a negative impact on each and every cell of our body. Similarly, positive thoughts have positive effects. The subject is so vast that entire books have been written on it. One of the best among them is by Louis A. There you can find how each and every emotion is connected to which organ of the body. For example, anger is connected with your liver. It makes your liver weak. So keeping our mind in a healthy state by having positive thoughts is essential for our healthy body. Moving to the next cause is food. There are good food and there are bad food. Food is one of the major sources through which toxicity develops in our body. Food is the most important source of nutrients in our body, which is required for growth and survival of our body. But in today's world, we have forgotten how to eat, what to eat, and when to eat. In today's world, our food is mainly processed, refined, and genetically modified, all of which has serious implications on our physical body. Refining takes out majority of nutrients from our food, and in the process, harmful chemicals are used, which make way into our foods and cause toxicity. Addition of chemical preservatives, antioxidants, colors, and flavors further add to the toxicity. Our body does not recognize these artificially made chemicals in the body and works hard to remove them from our body, which is why our organs go weak and diseases appear. Refined products are one of the major reasons of the rising lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, etc. Foods these days are laced with chemicals which act on our brain and force the consumer to ask for more of the same, causing overeating and toxicity. Our ancestors followed a particular timetable to eat. Eating after sunset was prohibited in most of our cultures, but today it's become a fashion to binge eat at the late hours of night. Such food is not digested in our body, and this undigested food is converted into toxic substances which circulate through the blood in our body. Fasting was an essential part of our culture, which is now forgotten by our generation. Recent studies have suggested that fasting heals our body, strengthens our immune system, and helps it to remove the toxic load in our system. It is so powerful that it can cure cancer also. There are various combinations like milk and banana, milk and fish, etc., which are not compatible. But today, in the name of exotic dishes, all such bad connections are overlooked. Eating ice cream after food has become a trend, which is not correct. It destroys the fire and leaves the food undigested, which gets converted into toxic substances. There are so many more examples that I can give, but I hope you understood the role of food in diseases. So apart from the points I mentioned above, there are certain more things which is wrong in our lifestyle, like getting up late in the morning, sleeping late at night, lack of exercise, staying away from nature, not soaking up the sunlight, wrong postures, etc. These wrong habits have a slow but profound impact on our health. Our organs work according to a particular time set by nature. For example, lungs are more active from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. That is why in ancient India, people used to get up early and do pranayama and yoga early in the morning. Similarly, when we sleep late at night, our liver is not able to do its functions properly, and host of diseases and hormonal imbalances appear in the body. Exercise is important to mobilize the joints and muscles. Exercise itself has a whole lot of benefits, which you all know. So, not going deep into it. Another important aspect that we overlook in the is the posture. So, wrong postures affect the physical structure of our body, which is deeply connected with our health. Incorrect postures cause misalignment of the spine. This results not only in back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, but all the organs of our body are connected through the spinal cord, as you can see in this picture. For example, you see thoracic spine, cervical spine, lumbar spine, sacrum spine, how lumbar spine is connected to a large intestine, how your thoracic spine is connected to your lungs, your liver. So maintaining a proper lifestyle and posture is very essential to our health. So the fourth factor that influences our health is mostly not in our control. That is the environment. The air we breathe, the water we drink greatly influences our health. Apart from these natural substances which are getting polluted today, we are facing dangers of radiation through mobile towers, plastic pollution, use of insecticides, pesticides, and other harmful chemicals. We should try to live as close to nature and maintain a clean and healthy environment around us. See, if we are able to work on the four factors that I mentioned, then disease will not come near our body. So please try to correct the things you're doing in your life. Please and like and share our videos so that it can bring a change in someone's life. Our next video will be on the solutions to the above problems. So please subscribe to our channel to receive the same and many more videos as follows to follow. Please write in your comments in the comment box. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.